This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for October 8th, 2024. It's September 16th, 2024, 9:09 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $562.84. That's USD. The shuffle video for the October 8th reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 3:48 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. So right off the bat, guys, it's going to be a very difficult reading to determine highs and lows. I wouldn't trade this day. That's based on the fact that we have 3 nullified cards, i.e. there's no correlations to these significator cards anywhere on the timeline, really, making it a bit more difficult to read. Overall theme for the day, we have a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of 2 perpendicular diagonal trend lines. Behavior on the highest side, we have a nullified Valor card and a unicursal, so pretty difficult to read. Likely what that means is that we've got this false breakout into key resistance. We'll probably break the resistance, meet another resistance, and then at that resistance there's a opportunity to open up a short. It will be an important technical price level that we should decline from pretty sharply, either overnight or in the not too distant future. Behavior around the lowest low for the day, we have a pop and drop. It's somehow nullified, hard to read that one, but there is opportunity to open up a long position, most likely around the low here. Behavior, I'm advised to trade around a breakout on a multi-day scale, or on a one-day scale, I should say, a breakout into a high. It is nullified, meaning that it most likely doesn't hold. Now, we opened lower in the pre-market, and we declined through multiple support levels into a revisiting of an important support level on a multi-day scale somewhere right around the open. Out of that, we should see a little bit of rallying in that first half hour, but that rally is halted by a decline through key support. An important resistance highlighted between 10 and 11, where we decline from the resistance, and we should return back to it in the not too distant future, some point in later in the day. We do sideways rotation between roughly 11 and 12. From that sideways rotation, there's a big move higher, and then more sideways rotation at a higher price level. That sideways rotation takes us into a peak somewhere between 12 and 1 that we sell off from pretty notably. It's hard to say, but there's a peak there between roughly 12 and 2. I'm leaning closer to 1 o'clock. We decline from it pretty sharply. There's opportunity there to open up a long position. It might be where the low, it's one of the places we might have a low, but it's really difficult to determine that, guys. And it doesn't, that decline into a low there doesn't last long. There's another big move just after 2 o'clock, it looks like. It's a fast move higher, ending a decline. There's a move through key resistance between roughly 1:30 and 3 o'clock. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through it shortly thereafter. That peak where we break through key resistance momentarily, there might be like a huge move to the upside to a high there around 3 o'clock. And then from that high, we decline through multiple support levels into a low. At the open field, or at the close, field it's up to break through key resistance that we expect to break through based on technicals. Instead, we turn around and we decline through key support into the post-market. Yeah, particularly difficult day to trade, guys. I would just avoid this for trading purposes. That's SPY for October 8th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Guys, if you want the most up-to-date information and the most successful way, your most effective way to utilize this information is with our real-time Discord trade alerts and real-time updated trading view charts. You get all that stuff through our early access subscription on our website, Tarot for Traders. Much love and appreciation. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.